aircraft is erratic again. Problem, are you ready?
Ó o avião caindo, gente, ó o avião caindo. Ó o avião caindo. Caiu!
The aircraft was flying at an altitude of 17,000 feet when it spun out of control and entered a rapid descent at around 13:22 local time. All 62 occupants on board were killed. It was the first fatal aviation accident in Brazilian commercial aviation since the 2011 crash of Noah Linhas Aéreas, Flight 4896, and the first fatal aviation accident involving Voepass Linhas Aéreas since its establishment in 1995. The crash is also the deadliest aviation accident in Brazil since TAM Airlines Flight 3054 in July 2007.